Good morning, children. This video is for class 2nd, subject reasoning. Chapter number 21, analogy, lecture number 1. Today, beta, we will learn about analogy. This is our lecture number 1. Analogy means a comparison between one thing and another, typically for the purpose of explanation or clarification. So beta, what do you mean by analogy? Analogy का क्या मतलब होता है? A comparison between one thing and another, यानी कि दो चीजों में comparison, okay? And it is for the purpose of explanation or clarification. जब हमें clarification देनी होती है दो चीजों की, तो हम analogy use करते हैं, okay? In these type of questions, we identify the relationship between each set of figures and then find the missing pair using the same relationship. Okay, so let's see how. Now, Vita, I'm going to tell you one example of it. So here it is given, identify the relationship between the pairs and find the missing figure. So here this figure is given and you can see that we have given this pair and with two dots. Okay, these two dots means the ratio. Okay, and these four dots means the proportion. You will learn it in detail in your higher classes. Okay, so here what you have to learn, that whatever is the relationship between these two, okay, the same relationship we have to maintain in these two figures. Okay, so here you can see that one diamond shape is given and here it is given two diamond shapes. Means what is the relationship between it? If it is 1, then it is 2. Okay, and the same relationship we have to follow in these two figures. So here what is given to us? One circle with two dots. Okay, so if we want to maintain the same relationship, what we will do? We have to find out the figure in which there should be, there are two circles with two dots. So here it is given in option number C. So it means option number C is correct. So we will circle this option number C and here we will write the answer that option number C is correct. Understood, beta? Now today's homework. Identify the relationship between the pairs and find the missing figure. Question number 1. This figure is given. So you have to first look at these two figures and then you have to find the same relationship here in these pairs. Okay. Now in question number 2 also, this figure is given. Okay. And you have to find out the same relationship. Because these are the ratios and these are the proportion. You will learn it in higher classes. Okay. About it. Now question number 3. Again, you have given this and you have to find out the same relationship. In question number 4 also. And in 5 also, you have to observe here it is given A, B, C, then D, E, F. So you have to find out the relationship between these two pairs and then you have to maintain this relationship here in these two pairs. Okay. Now, homework solution of chapter number 20 and lecture number 4, geometric shapes. I had given you questions related to series. Complete the following series by encircling the correct option. So here it was given in question number 1 this figure and we have to find out the next one and we have four options A, B, C and D. So first we will observe and then we will find out the next series. Okay, so here in this figure you can see this is a rectangular shape and here in between the arrow is given and one circle is at the top of the left side. Okay, then in second figure this circle comes down to the left side of this figure. Okay, and in this figure it comes at the right side, bottom part. Okay, now it should be at the top part of right hand side. Okay, so here the top part circle is in two options, in option number B and in option number C. But now we have to observe this arrow also. So here this arrow is in between. Okay, then it shift to the uh, bottom part, then again at the middle bottom part, then beta it should be at the left hand side bottom part. Okay, so here this option number B is correct, so we will circle this B part, and here we will write the answer that option number B is correct. Okay, now question number 2. Here this figure is given. Okay, and we have to find out the next series. So here these are the options A, B, C and D. So first we will observe that one standing line is given, then one standing line with one slanting line at the left hand side. Okay, and in next figure it is a standing line with the two slanting lines, one is from the left and one is from the right. So now the turn is of left side. Okay, so here we will see that in option number A it is given standing line, then two slanting lines, and then again standing line at the left hand side. So this option is correct. So we will circle this option number A, and here we will write the answer that option number A is correct. Okay. Now question number 3. Here this figure is given. Okay, and we have to find out the correct option. So here you can see, first of all we will observe this yellow color. Okay, so here it is at the top part, this arrow is there, and this arrow is at the left hand side of this arrow, this figure. Okay, and same relationship we have to find out for this also. So here it is given this circle with bottom part arrow. Okay, and here now it will comes at the right hand side arrow. So it is in option number C. So we will circle this option number C, and here we will write the answer that option number C is correct. Now question number 4. Here first of all we will observe that these rectangles are given. Okay, with one arrow and one standing line and circle. Okay, so now it turns to the right hand side, then at the bottom side, then the left side it should be there. So here the arrow is at the left hand side in both B and C option. Okay, so now we have to find out the correct option from B and C. So for that we need to see its standing line with circle. Okay, and here the standing line with circle is at the bottom part, then at the left part, then top, and now it should be at the right hand side. So it is in option number B. So we will circle this option number B, and here we will write the answer that option number B is correct. Now question number 5. So here you can see that we have given a Z shape and there are 5 circles in between these figures, but only the difference is between the colors. So we will take one color and we will see that what are the changes in that color. So here we will take this yellow color. Here this yellow color is at the right hand side, then in next figure it comes down and in the mid side. Okay, and then in next figure it comes down at the top bottom part. Okay, so now beta it should be at the right hand side yellow color. So let's see here in which yellow color is at the right hand side, and it is in option number A. So here we will circle this option number A, and here we will write the answer that option number A is correct. You can take any color. Okay, and by using that color you can see the changes and can find out the correct option. Your answer should be A. Okay. Thank you.